Welcome to today's video where I will guide you on how to make $10,000 in crypto step by step. This video is designed for beginners and regular investors who want clear and simple advice. You don't need to be a financial expert or a professional trader to follow these strategies. The goal is to explain everything in simple English so you can take action confidently. If you stay until the end, you will have a complete plan to start your journey. Understanding crypto basics clearly before making money, it is important to understand what cryptocurrency really means. Crypto is digital money that exists online and works through blockchain technology. The blockchain is like a digital record book that keeps every transaction safe and transparent. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created in 2009, and it remains the most popular. Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other coins also provide opportunities for investors. The value of crypto changes every second, which is why it creates chances to earn profits. Understanding these basics helps you build confidence before you invest. Setting a clear $10,000 target, having a money goal keeps you focused and disciplined when investing in crypto. Your target of $10,000 should be broken into smaller milestones like $500, $1,000, and $5,000. This makes your journey easier to follow and keeps you motivated along the way. Decide how much money you can invest every week or month without pressure. The more consistent you are, the sooner you will move toward your financial goal. Remember that reaching $10,000 is not overnight, it requires time and patience. Choosing the right exchange for safety to start your journey, you must choose a trusted platform called a crypto exchange. Some of the most reliable options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These exchanges allow you to buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrencies safely. Always check that the platform is legal and supported in your country. Complete the verification process to unlock full access and protect your account. Avoid using unknown websites or mobile apps because they may be scams. A safe exchange is the foundation of your crypto success. Starting small and learning by practice, you don't need thousands of dollars to begin, even $50 to $100 is enough. Starting small gives you a chance to learn without risking too much money. Focus on strong coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum before trying smaller coins. Slowly increase your investment as you understand how prices rise and fall. Practice makes you better, and small beginnings often lead to big growth. Remember that even the largest investors started small before growing their portfolios. Long-term holding strategy for growth. One proven method to reach $10,000 is long-term holding, also called hodling. This means buying coins and keeping them for months or years. Bitcoin has grown from a few dollars to tens of thousands over the years. Ethereum and other strong coins have also increased in value steadily. By holding, you avoid the stress at daily price changes. Investors who are patient and consistent often see huge rewards over time. If you want stable and safe growth, long-term holding is a smart choice. Trading for faster results. Trading is another way to grow your money quicker, but it requires learning. Traders buy coins when prices drop and sell them when prices rise. This method can give faster profits but also carries higher risk. Beginners should start with small amounts and practice trading carefully. Use charts, news updates, and price history to make informed decisions. Many successful traders mix both trading and holding to balance risk and reward. Trading, if done with discipline, can speed up your journey to $10,000. Dollar cost averaging strategy. Dollar cost averaging is one of the safest investment methods for beginners. You invest a fixed amount of money at regular times, such as weekly or monthly. This way, you buy crypto at different prices and reduce overall risk. Over time, your average buying price becomes more stable and safer. This method protects you from sudden market crashes or price jumps. Even if the market goes down, your regular investments keep you on track. Dollar cost averaging is a patient and powerful way to reach $10,000. Exploring altcoins for bigger gains. Bitcoin and Ethereum are strong, but altcoins can sometimes bring higher returns. Altcoins are smaller cryptocurrencies like Solana, Cardano, and Polygon. However, altcoins are also riskier because their prices can crash suddenly. Do your own research before buying any altcoin, and never put all money in one coin. A mix of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few altcoins can create a balanced portfolio. Altcoins can give you extra profit and help you hit your $10,000 target sooner. Earning passive income in crypto. Another way to make money is through passive income in crypto. Staking allows you to lock coins and earn rewards without selling them. Some exchanges give interest when you hold coins in special wallets. Yield farming and liquidity pools are advanced methods to earn extra income. Passive income is slower but safer because your coins keep growing quietly. This strategy works best when combined with holding and trading. Over time, these rewards add up and push you closer to your $10,000 goal. Managing risks and protecting your money. Every investment carries risks, and crypto is no different. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Keep some savings outside of crypto for emergencies. Use stop-loss orders in trading to prevent huge losses. Always use two-factor authentication to protect your account from hackers. Store your coins in a secure wallet instead of leaving everything on exchanges. Risk management ensures that you stay in the game long enough to win. Staying updated with crypto news. Crypto prices are heavily influenced by world news and events. Government regulations, company investments, or new technology can change prices fast. Following trusted websites, Twitter accounts, and YouTube channels keeps you informed. Always check the news before buying or selling a coin. Many investors lose money because they ignore news updates. Staying informed gives you an advantage and helps you make smarter decisions. Knowledge is your best weapon in the crypto market. Avoiding beginner mistakes. Many beginners lose money because they follow the wrong steps. The first mistake is panic selling when prices drop suddenly. The second mistake is chasing hype coins without research. Another mistake is investing all money into one coin without diversifying. Some beginners also forget to secure their accounts with strong passwords. Avoiding these mistakes will save you money and stress. Learn from other people's errors so you don't repeat them on your journey. Building patience and discipline. Making $10,000 in crypto takes time and steady effort. You must stay patient during market ups and downs. Discipline means sticking to your plan without getting emotional. Avoid jumping from one strategy to another too quickly. Remember that consistency brings long-term success in crypto. Patience and discipline are the keys to building real wealth. Without them, many people give up before reaching their goals. Creating a winning mindset. Your mindset plays a huge role in crypto success. Treat crypto like a serious investment, not a quick lottery. Believe in your plan and trust the process even during hard times. Learn from mistakes instead of quitting when things go wrong. Stay positive and confident because success comes to those who never stop learning. A strong mindset keeps you motivated and focused on your $10,000 target. Mental strength is just as important as financial strategies. Learning from successful crypto investors. One of the fastest ways to grow in crypto is by studying people who have already succeeded. Many investors like Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, and early Bitcoin buyers share valuable lessons. Reading their stories helps you understand how patience, timing, and research matter. Join online crypto communities to learn from real people who made money. By following proven examples, you avoid beginner mistakes and stay on the right path. Success leaves clues, and learning from others can speed up your $10,000 journey. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and their lessons can guide your growth. Reaching $10,000 in crypto is possible with patience and the right steps. Start small, invest wisely, and use safe strategies like holding and dollar cost averaging. Mix strong coins with carefully chosen altcoins to increase profit chances. Always manage risks, protect your money, and stay updated with crypto news. Avoid beginner mistakes by staying disciplined and keeping a long-term vision. Remember that success is not about luck, but about consistency and learning. With effort and the right mindset, you can achieve your $10,000 crypto goal.